Hi guys, this is the Oppo A77 and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first let's open the settings, then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see ringtone volume panel, and the first way how we could do that, we should just slide to the left side this dark dot on ringtone volume panel. And by this way, we can see that we just successfully muted the ringtone on our Oppo device. Also, we get one more way how we could do that with the help of the volume buttons, but first be sure that let's unmute it. Go down to advanced settings, tap to volume button function and be sure that you have selected here ringtone to change volume with the help of the volume buttons, the ringtone volume, not the medias. And now with the help of the down volume button, so press down volume button, and by this way we can see that we just successfully also muted the ringtone. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.